Atlantic salmon is a contradiction in motion. It is born in freshwater, matures in the open ocean, and returns, against every force of physics, to the exact place where its life began. This journey is not optional. It is written into its biology. Known scientifically as Salmo solar, Atlantic salmon inhabit rivers and coastal waters of the North Atlantic. Their range stretches across Europe, North America, and parts of the Arctic, connecting ecosystems that could not be more different. Few animals live such divided lives. The early life of an Atlantic salmon begins quietly. Eggs are laid in gravel beds of cold, fast-flowing rivers. Oxygen-rich water moves constantly through the stones, keeping embryos alive. Development is slow. Winter ice may cover the river above, but below the gravel, life waits. When the eggs hatch, tiny larvae called alevins emerge, still carrying yolk sacs that sustain them. They hide among stones, avoiding predators, absorbing nutrients, learning the current. Survival at this stage is ruthless. As they grow into fry and then parr, young salmon develop dark vertical markings that camouflage them against river shadows. They feed on insects and small invertebrates, slowly building strength. Years may pass before the signal arrives. At a certain size and age, hormonal changes trigger transformation. The salmon becomes a smolt. Its body chemistry rewires itself. Scales turn silver. The fish prepares for saltwater. This is not a behavioral change. It is a physiological overhaul. Salmon alter their kidneys, gills, and blood chemistry to survive in the ocean. Few animals on Earth can switch between freshwater and saltwater environments so completely. Then they leave. Smolts drift downstream, pulled by current and instinct, entering estuaries and eventually the open Atlantic Ocean. Here, the salmon's life accelerates. Food is abundant but danger is everywhere. In the ocean, Atlantic salmon grow rapidly. They feed on smaller fish, crustaceans, and squid. Their bodies become streamlined, powerful, designed for long-distance swimming. But the ocean is not home. It is preparation. Salmon spend 1 to several years at sea, traveling thousands of kilometers. Scientists have tracked individuals crossing entire ocean basins, navigating with a precision that still defies full explanation. Somehow, they remember, when the time comes, Atlantic salmon turn back. They stop feeding. Energy is diverted from growth to muscle and reproductive organs. Fat reserves fuel the return. The journey upriver is brutal. Salmon fight against strong currents, leap waterfalls, evade predators, and endure exhaustion that would kill most animals. Bears, birds, seals, and humans all wait along their path. Many do not make it. Those that do reach their spawning grounds are changed creatures. Their bodies darken. Males develop hooked jaws. Energy is nearly gone. Reproduction is the final act. Females carve nests in gravel using powerful tail movements. Eggs are released. Males fertilize them. The cycle restarts. In Atlantic salmon, many individuals die after spawning. Some survive and return to sea, but survival rates are low. The body is spent. This sacrifice is not wasteful. It feeds the ecosystem. Decomposing salmon bodies release marine nutrients into freshwater systems, enriching rivers and forests. Trees grow taller. Insects thrive. Entire ecosystems benefit from salmon returning from the sea. Atlantic salmon are ecosystem engineers. For humans, salmon have always been essential. Indigenous cultures revered them. European settlers built economies around them. Salmon runs determined survival. Then came dams. Hydroelectric projects blocked rivers. Spawning grounds disappeared. Industrial fishing intercepted salmon at sea. Pollution altered river chemistry. Climate change warmed waters beyond tolerance. Atlantic salmon populations declined sharply. Today, wild Atlantic salmon are extinct in many rivers. Conservation efforts include fish ladders, habitat restoration, fishing limits, and hatchery programs. But recovery is fragile. Salmon are sensitive indicators of environmental health. If rivers are clean, connected, and cold, salmon return. If not, they vanish. The Atlantic salmon does not adapt easily to shortcuts. It demands a complete system. This fish does not dominate by force. It survives through memory, endurance, and precision. From river to ocean and back again, Atlantic salmon complete one of the most demanding life cycles on Earth. They remind us that survival is not always about strength. Sometimes, it is about knowing exactly where you came from and having the power to return.